Hey guys, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kiwanna. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all on how you can cook a whole chicken in the Instant Pot. Yes guys, this chicken turned out juicy and delicious. So if you want to see how I made it in the Instant Pot, keep watching. Alright guys, in my bowl here I have a 7.5-pound chicken. Okay, this is a nice sized chicken. I actually got this from Sam's Club. It came in a twin pack, and again it is 7.5 pounds. And the seasonings that I'm going to be using to season my whole chicken with is this here, the Szechuan, and then I'm going to use some poultry seasoning and some oil. And that's it. And I'm going to use a generous amount because, as you guys know, cooking in an Instant Pot, guys, will make your food lose a lot of flavor if you don't have it seasoned properly. And we're going to need some twine to tie up the legs because I just wanted to have, have it looking cute. That's optional. You can just put the chicken in if you want. I have a large sweet Vidalia onion that I did cut up, and I'm going to stuff that into the cavity to kind of flavor my chicken with as well as it is cooking. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and just go on with the oil. I'm just using regular olive oil, and we are going to add a generous amount of this olive oil on here. Not only is this going to have your chicken nice and juicy as it is in the Instant Pot, but guys, it's just going to help it to not dry out. Okay, so go ahead and flip that bird over and do the same thing on the other side. And yes guys, my chicken is completely clean. The water that you see under there is mixed in with the oil, and water has a tendency to be up in the cavity, once you're washing it and all that. So it is all good. All of that ain't none but flavor that's going to go in the Instant Pot. So I'm going to go on with the poultry seasoning first, and like I told you guys, I'm going on with a nice generous amount. If you ever cooked with a pressure cooker, you guys know that thing has a tendency to make your seasonings go away as if you ain't never put seasonings on there before you put your food in it. So yeah guys, you want to make sure that you season your food thoroughly, okay? Because the pressure, the steam, or whatever it is will just make it go away. So we're just going to rub that in, and do you guys see that color that's coming from that Szechuan? Yes guys, that ain't none but flavor. Okay, so we're gonna flip it over, and we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Just go ahead, go on with the seasoning, nice amount, and just rub it in. And if you can get it under the skin, which is what I'm gonna do, you want to go ahead and do that too. Okay, just make sure you get seasoning all over. Wherever you think you can get it, guys, get it. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to go ahead and push some of that seasoning in between the wings, the drums, and also under the skin there, under the breast, as you guys know. And real quick, guys, I want to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Guys, welcome to my channel. And for those of you that are my returning subscribers, my family, of course, because that's pretty much what you guys are. You guys, I've been seeing the comments, guys. I have I may not respond to all because you guys still know what's going on, but that's a whole nother story. But anyway, like I said, guys, I do see you, and like I said, to all of my subscribers that have been with me since day one, I definitely see you, and I thank you for staying around. Okay, so I thank you so much for all the love and support. So now we're going to go ahead and just stuff that onion on the inside. And like I said, guys, as the chicken is cooking in the Instant Pot, that is going to add a ton of flavor in that cavity all throughout the chicken. Just have your chicken taste amazing. Okay, so we're going to stuff all of that on the inside. And now I'm going to take the twine and attempt now I have the same issues when I do try to tie the legs up on my turkey. It's a whole process, okay, because the leg go down, and I think twine is built the way it is because it just grips onto the skin and just kind of help to tighten it up even when you think it ain't in there. Just like what you see right there, that twine just kind of pulls it on up in there. And yeah, so now that I finally got it done, I like to tie a bow because I just you know, just a personal preference. If you want to just double tie it, you can. Gonna get that tied up, and then I'm just gonna cut off the excess, and then I'm gonna get this into my rack for my Instant Pot, and then we're gonna cook this in the Instant Pot on a total of 42 minutes. Okay, now you want to, how could I put it, you want to check the time, find out the size of your whole chicken, okay, and then you want to go ahead and adjust that timing to the size of your chicken. And that's pretty much how, you know, you want to do it, because you don't want to overcook this chicken. Trust me, I've done it before, and when I say the meat is like a mushy, like a, if you think you can't overcook chicken, I'm just gonna say think again, okay? Because that meat just don't taste right, okay? I was so mad. That was like a whole chicken just wasted. But I did figure it out. They go by the pounds, and like I said, cook your chicken how you would, and this is what you're gonna end up with: a nice rotisserie chicken. And I made some smothered potatoes and broccoli to go with this, and that is what we are gonna have for dinner. So like I said, guys, check the weight of your chicken and go with that. So I truly do hope you guys enjoyed my video of how I showed you how to cook a whole chicken in the Instant Pot. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give my video a thumbs up, support my channel by subscribing, and until next time, you guys take care. Bye.